How to test and diagnose microphone issues on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the Samsung folder. Then, tap on Members. In Samsung Members, tap on the Diagnostics button. Then tap on Phone Diagnostics. And then we scroll down. In here, tap on Mic. Then tap on While using the app. Now tap on the Record button. And so here, there are two microphones built into this phone. So tap on the Record button. And now I say recording. So say recording is complete. Tap play to hear the recorded sound. So I'm going to tap on the play button. So you can hear their sound. If you tap on no, then you can tap on record again. This time record using microphone 2. Testing. Now it's playing back your recording. So you can always tap on the test again button if you didn't do it correctly the first time. Testing for the first microphone.
Testing for the first.
And then you can tap on yes if you can hear it. Then tap on the record button to test the second microphone at the top. Testing top microphone.
Testing top microphone.
And then if you can hear it, tap on the yes button. And here it will give you a status of your microphone. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.